guys, 1919 here with a brand new video, and I am going to be doing an unboxing of ldrago Destroy, and I have metal faces now. As you can see, one is black because I already switched a metal. I already put a metal face on Vulcan Horatius because he's the team member of the team, and I'm going to put the extra metal face on ldrago Destroy. All right. Hold on, let me get something up this. My metal face is. Well, I'm gonna keep that extra metal face. I'm not gonna use it. Where is something? Open that. Alright, I hope this works. There's our little keychain thingy. It's not a Beyblade thing. Darn it! Let's just look at the stats. Too bad I didn't get ldrago Destroy because I have cosmic players. Alright, there I got the tape off. And I got this from Good Green Tea, and the metal faces I got them from Power Pig 88. It's 88 Power Pig 88. I got them from. Aw, man, you're kidding me! They put tape on these things like. No, I'm getting to a top, not TL. It's SF and S, it looks like. This is actually a 4-piece top, I think. Alright, yes, I got it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, I have the stickers, the spin track, and performance tip. Yes, ldrago Destroy. And let's see if rumors are true that his energy ring is made of metal. I don't know if it really is or if it isn't. If ldrago Destructors is, I'm pretty sure this one is, because it's no different from the Hasbro. And these, the white launcher, I wish it was a ripcord one. Come on. Here's the white ripcord. I just got this in the mail this instant. Ripcord. I'm still trying to open it. Come on, rip. Alright, yes, it rips. Alright, now I'm just trying to get the launcher out, but these people put it like it's crazy. Here. Alright. Faithful is like a marble blue. Oh yeah, it is true. It's heavy. This is probably the weight of an actual bay. Where's your cleaning here? What are you talking about? I'm making a video. Wheel. Come on, be in rubber mode. We should do double medals, not just one. Yeah. Here is the... Here's the fully assembled. I'll try.
We already made the picture.
I want to drink the lemonade.
Huh?
I said I want to drink the lemonade. So here is, it is fully assembled. It's actually kind of off a little. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I have to assemble the stickers. That's not helpful. There's the stickers. Instructions. Cool.
Hey, fucking bloody dog.
Alright guys, so that is it, I'm guessing, pretty much. Yeah. Okay, goodbye.